once the coffee is purchased, it's dumped into these tanks that are filled with water. As you can see, there are some beans that are floating. So there might be an unhealthy bean in there, so that is removed, and leaving us just the coffee that stays on the bottom. That coffee is then, the good coffee is then taken out and brought onto these tables over here, where the sorters take through the coffee and they take out the coffees that are green or not fully ripened. How you doing? Then from there, after they sort it out, the coffee drops into this bin over here. Now, you might see some coffees there that are not red. They're roasted coffees that are yellow. Now we have this guy who takes the coffee and loads it into the pulper, where the coffee travels up the screw pin of the transport pin and it's depulped. And it comes out over here without the skin, without its outer skin. And it's left in these huge fermentation tanks where we add water and we leave it there anywhere from 16 to 24 hours. Once the coffee is finished with its fermentation, it is then placed into a washer where all the sweet honey is taken off of it. After that process, it is then put to dry inside drying beds, which we'll take a look at that in the morning. So we either dry the coffee inside the greenhouse, or we dry it inside a dryer. Once it's dried, all the coffee is then put into sacks. After that, the coffees are then brought into these sorting tables here, where then it goes through another sorting process. And we'll be looking at that tomorrow morning. From the Bruhwer Coffee plant in Quito, Ecuador, in the Amazon mountains of Ecuador, Gilson Garcia, and we'll see you tomorrow.